Hey guys, let's open the cutest slime kit ever. I'm so excited, so let's do this. This slime is by Zooey Slime, and it's really, really nice. It comes with 5 different slimes. I've been most excited for this one, so let's start with it. So cute. I love the packaging, and it even has this. So cute. Your Happy Time scented slime. Because the picture on the thing is like it's scent. So this one should be scented chocolate donuts. These are actually butter slime, if I didn't mention. Let's smell. It smells so good. This reminds me of Krispy Kreme or Dunkin' Donuts. Just the scent, because it smells like chocolate donuts. And that's literally what it reminds me of. It also reminds me of it has a hint of coffee in it. It looks really nice. Stick my nails into it. So pretty. I'm very happy with this first slime. Let's put it back into the container and continue with my other 4 slimes. First, we gotta add it in. Now let's move on to the next one, which is a little watermelon one. It says the same thing. This one feels like slightly fluffier. Let's smell it. Wait, this is better than the other one. This one smells legitimately like strawberries or watermelon. It just smells like fruit, but chemical. For the next one, we're gonna put this one back. So we've done these 2, now we got 3 more to go. I want to try this lemon one because I love lemon. Your Happy Time scented slime. So cute. Let's open it. This one smells like lemonade. It's got foam in it. It's got foam. So nice. Obsessed. Let's put this one back in and time for the next slime. So the next one is a cake slime. It's supposed to be artificial cake kind of thing. Ooh, this one's soft. My favorite so far has been the watermelon. This is so nice. Also, I wanted to announce in this video, so I've made a shorts about I'm gonna dye my hair, and I still haven't done it yet, but I'm doing it tomorrow. So you will see that actually in the next video, my hair should be dyed unless I make another video today. So be prepared to see short hair with blonde streaks. Anyways, let's get back to the slime. So nice. This one, I'm not the biggest fan of the color. It's too dark for me. I like the lighter colors. I'm just not a big fan of the dark greens. 1 more to go. This one is candy scented. like the cherry Jolly Ranchers. It does. It smells so good. I'm such a big fan of the smell. Let's put this one back. Make sure to get this video to at least 100 views, and if you do, then I'll make an ASMR video all just with these 5 slimes that we unboxed today. I'm so happy with what I got. Make sure to order these. I got them off of Amazon. Type in Zero Year Slime kit. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.